Hello, you guys. I just want to let y'all know that today, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing, and I'll tell you why. Because I ordered the hair brush straightener that everybody's been like raving about, and that has been like all over the internet, even on Facebook. But I ordered mine on eBay a lot cheaper, and it's coming from California. And so I'm gonna be doing an unboxing today. I know I look like a mess right now and that, but I've been having issues with Pig Monkey. I don't know if it's that or it's just everything in general, internet wise. But yeah, keep watching if you want to see this unboxing review and that. So I'm so excited. Plus I got other stuff that I got for my mom, which I'm going to be doing some packing today as well. So that's going to be fun. Okay, so I went to Dollar Tree and I figure I'd like to show y'all this really quick. This NYC Expert Lash Lip Color Lipstick in Sugar Plum. Hope y'all can see that right there. And I'm going to try this color out. See how pigmented it is. Okay, so let's see how this lip color looks on me. I know that looks kind of odd, don't it? Okay, here we go. I'm going to lay the cap there. It's a really, really pretty color. It's kind of like has like little shimmers in it. Try to figure which way to roll it upward. Oh, there we go. Smells like mmm. It's a really pretty color. This is in Sugar Plum. I actually like this kind of look. Come on, Mailman. The moment when you're trying to be patient for packages to come. It should be here any minute now. Oh my gosh, I see the mailman. Boy, I got like 5 packages in that truck. Oh my god. And one of them I'm going to be showing y'all. That. I'm like ecstatic right now. Oh my god. Oh god, Lord help me. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. As y'all can tell that this is an unboxing haul. Sorry, I'm just like a little excited here because it finally came in the mail. Oh my gosh. So I wanted to do this really, really quick before my son gets home, because some of the stuff in here, and some of the stuff that are Christmas stuff and that. So a couple of them are stuff that I know what I got, and others are a whatchamacallit, and one of them, but right now I just want to show y'all this one, and that because I have been waiting to try this, and so let me go ahead and scissors, since I've been like in here, you know, wrapping gifts and everything. Go ahead and open it. Oh, they taped it up pretty good. I'm gonna need scissors again. And this came all the way from California, to let y'all know. So, man, I don't know where to get these bags at. Oh boy, I can't wait to try it. And I got the pink one. So I was going to get the white one, but I got the pink one. This is the hairbrush straightener. Oh my gosh. I just love it. And I can't wait to try it. So, yay. So, I'm going to have to bring you over to the outlet so I can show y'all the review. So, keep watching if you want to see how this stuff works. Okay, we're gonna stop now. Okay. So I've sprayed some of my hair insurance all in my hair and combed it through. Make sure I got every part. And because I want to make sure my hair will be protected before I try this. I just want to make sure that it has a USB cord. Okay. Let's see. I hope I'm not going to be disappointed. Here's the brush. Here's the brush. Yay! It has USB, or it has the outlet cord, and it has this thing here in case if I want to travel with it or not. It has this plastic sheer thing, and of course I'm gonna have to put my hair up in sections. I ain't gonna be able to do my whole head like if I'm brushing my hair or not. Let's see here. Does this come apart? No, don't come apart. It just has to come all the way through the plug itself. And how they did that. Don't even come apart. Okay, either that, I can just do this. Just wrap it around the cord. So it just stay in place. Okay. Okay, let me go ahead and put my hair up in sections. Not sure how. If I had like more light, y'all be able to see better. And like if I do it in the bathroom, I have to wait till maybe another time when I'm in the bathroom. And oh God, I'm like excited, but I'm also nervous to see how this is gonna work. Okay, first you hit this on switch button. And that comes up. It's at 185, so right now it's 27, 30, 31 Celsius, 34, and it heats up. So that's pretty cool. I don't know what this thing is here for. The one underneath where the this higher and lower. So I'm gonna wait for it to heat up. And I got pink. I was gonna go for white, but it's like if it's on the floor, oops. If it's on the floor or something, then oh yeah, I can feel it's getting hot too. Just by putting your hand over it, like if you're putting your hand over a stove and wait till it gets all the way to degrees. So what time is it? 3:27 right now. Just I can't hardly tell what time it is. 127, 129, 130, 131, 132. Okay, I'm gonna wait till this warms up, then I'll be right back. Okay, so it's pretty much warmed up. You can raise it up, however you want. And okay, let's go ahead and get this to try. I'm gonna try and do it like really, really close so y'all can see. I'm trying to keep my hair like split in a way. I'm gonna do it like from here. And I know the girl mentioned that you want to do it in sections. Oh my gosh. This would literally like, woof, save my life. So I'm just using my hair straightener. I mean, if y'all probably know the struggle I went through with my hair straightener. Like, oh my gosh. I probably didn't get much of hair, the hairspray stuff underneath my hair. But it is getting straight. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Y'all can actually see the difference, like curly and straight. Oh my god. I'm like blown away right now. It's barely like pulling my hair, and not really a lot of hair is coming out either. Oh my gosh. This was so tremendously like helped my hair completely. Like from not damaging it. So, ow. That's for me tugging, I guess, on my hair. I'll be like, I have to have my cousin to watch this and not, because I'm just like really, really blown away. Oh my god. And it massages your hair like while you're brushing and that. Oh my goodness. This is, I can't, I'm just blown away. Oh my goodness. Try to get like behind my ear. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. This is so much better than a straightener. Oh my goodness, this was so help my hair. If I just do like that. I was like, Mom, you have got to come here. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. I am like so blown away right now. Okay, I'm gonna do my whole head and then y'all get to watch, see how I do this. Okay? I'm gonna do it in time-lapse motion. Okay, so y'all see that it actually works. I mean, I was like literally like blown away. My hair is just like so freaking soft and I would definitely use this in my daily routine life, like seriously. And my hair is probably like a little bit oily, I guess. I did have it, damped earlier, or I was trying basically let it air dry and that, but I would definitely use this on a daily life, if I want to straighten my hair and that. And it cuts time like way quicker than a hair straightener would. Like if I was, doing my hair with a hair straightener, I'd be like damaging my hair and plus with the heat and everything. I mean, you're actually, gliding the hairbrush like you would with a regular hairbrush, and it's just completely like straightening it. I mean, most of it's not all the way straight, but I mean, look, I still got freaking a little bit of highlights left from July, and I have not dyed my hair. I've been trying not to dye my hair, even though I want to, but right now my hair is just natural, and these are my natural baby dart roots when I was little, and that they only come out when I'm not out in the sun much. So just to let y'all know that. And I definitely like this. I really, really do. And it's pink. Even though I'm not crazy about pink, but oh well. I like it. I really, really do. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to try this, I mean, the best way to get one of these instead of paying the Head Candy hair straightener. I mean, they're the same thing, but you get this a whole lot cheaper on eBay or on Wish, basically. And they're just the same thing. And make sure you get the one from, with the USB port and plug-in. And I'm just going to let it sit there and, air out or whatever and cool off until I can pick out the hair out of it, because it took a while for my hair to, get straight and that. But alrighty, well, I hope y'all like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, whatever, favorites, and yeah, thank you for watching, and hope you have a nice day and happy holidays and that. So I'll see y'all next time. Bye. Now I got some wrapping to do. Alright, bye.